You save your money in the savings account. Your bank pays interest to the money you maintained in your account. I'm sure everyone knows this, but how many of you know that this interest that you have earned is taxable, and not disclosing this can attract a notice from IT department? Have a look at this screen. This is called the Annual Income Statement, in short AIS, where all your income information is stored and accessed. The interest earned from your savings account is clearly visible. In this video, I'll explain how the tax deductions on the interest income work and what are the available tax benefits and some real world questions my clients have asked me in the past. So sit tight and watch the video till the end. Let's look at the eligibility. First things first, deductions are not allowed to other assessees like firm, LLP, companies, AOP, BOI or trust. So only individuals and HUF are eligible for this tax benefit. For individuals younger than 60 years of age, the maximum exemption limit is 10,000 and is applicable only on interest from savings account. Savings account means the accounts held by banks, cooperative societies engaged in carrying on banking business, and post office savings account. So this falls under the section 80TTA. So for senior citizens, that is people who are 60 years of age and above, the maximum exemption limit is 50,000 and is applicable not just on the interest income from savings but also fixed deposits, and this falls under the section 80TTB. So apart from these benefits, you also get additional benefit if you have account under post office savings scheme. So if your account is individual, then you get an exemption of 3,500, and if it's a joint account, you get an additional benefit of 7,000. This applies to both younger individuals and senior citizens, and this is considered under section 10 subsection 15 clause 1. Let's quickly run through the questions I received from the clients. First question: can I claim deductions on interest income from fixed deposits? Remember that the interest income from fixed deposits is fully taxable and you claim deductions on interest only from savings account. However, senior citizens can claim a deduction of up to 50,000 on such interest under section 80TTB. Second question: How do I claim a deduction on interest income in my income tax return? To claim a deduction on interest income, you need to report the total interest income under the head Income from Other Sources. Then claim the deduction under section 80TTA or 80TTB as applicable by filling in the relevant details in the deduction section. Third question: what happens if my total interest income is below the exemption limit? If your total interest is below the exemption limit, that is either 10,000 or 50,000, in that case, you can claim the entire amount as deduction. However, you still need to report the interest income in your ITR. Fourth question: what if I have interest income from multiple banks? You should aggregate the interest income from all banks and report the total amount in your ITR. Then claim the deduction under section 80TTA or TTB on the aggregated amount, subject to the specified limits. Fifth question: do I need to submit the documents to the income tax department to claim these deductions? You do not need to submit any documents while filing your ITR, but you should retain your bank statements and interest certificates for your records. The income tax department may request these documents if your return is selected for scrutiny. An important point to remember: your interest income gets reflected in AIS, annual income statement. So like I said, it is mandatory for you to show your interest income, as non-filing of it would attract a notice from income tax department due to under-reporting of your income. I will very soon upload a video with a complete walkthrough of the AIS dashboard, so please subscribe to our channel to be notified once it's out. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to mention your feedback and ask questions in the comment section, and we will try our best to address it. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.